In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Maps Street View. So once you've opened up Google Maps, you first need to find a location. So you can either do that by going to the search box and typing in a location. So let's just type in here London. From here, we can then go ahead and decide where we want to zoom into. So I'm going to pinch and zoom into London, and here you can see all of the roads. Now, what you need to do now is hold down on a place on the map where you want to access Street View. So if you hold down on a road here, you can see that you'll have that pin appear, and this square will appear on the left in the middle of the screen. If you go ahead and click on that square with the circle arrow, it will then take you to that exact location. And from here, you can drag and hold and slide around the Google Maps. Now, we happen to jump onto a lot of police cars, so I don't know what's happening in London, but you can go up and down the road with the arrow keys. So click on the arrow and that will take you up and down the road. Alternatively, you can double click far into the distance and it will take you to that place. If you click see more dates, you might actually be able to see more dates in the past of this exact location. So we can scroll back to 2008 and see what London looked like then. So yeah, those are some tips on how you can use it. I hope that quick video helped you out.